His Majesty started it in his speech. I didn't know him this close, and I didn't know him this much, but he has opened up for the Yoruba unity and integrity, which we in Yoruba Council of Elders stand for. Integrity is Omaluabi, and that's what he stands for. What he likes, he tells us. What he dislikes, he tells us. And it's open. Whether we like it or not, everything has to change. Even culture is dynamic. Even culture is dynamic. That's what the community is telling us.
And what's your message to other traditional rulers as regards to this? Your message to other traditional rulers in the Southwest.
What?
Your message.
To other traditional rulers.
So traditional rulers,
in this region.
we want them to also be dynamic, to be open to change, not crazy change, but good change. There were many things that our forefathers did in the past. No more of that. And I'm not to tell you because I didn't live at that time. Now we want the Obas to hold high the torch of our culture